Are you ready to step up and make a difference in the world? Ready to follow your soul's mission? If you have been looking for a sign towards a new direction in life, the Institute for Leadership and Lifelong Learning may be just the path you've been looking for. With a spiritual leadership program that provides guidance and a clear path for those who are called, Illli offers a unique and empowering opportunity of growth and empowerment. Fully embodying the role of a spiritual leader requires you to be present for your own life so that you can serve and guide others. Freeing yourself from your own self-limiting thoughts and behaviors is a must if you seek to be a beacon of light and hope to others along their journey. As an Illli ordained spiritual leader, you will be invited to continue on your path of learning with our institute and beyond. Graduates of our program may become teachers or faculty, mentors or coaches with Illli, and the licensing we provide will provide you with many options to become a difference maker in the world. Our program offers a self-paced, at-home educational experience that allows you to take the time you need with flexibility to fit the demands of your life. Students receive ongoing support from a personal mentor who are leaders in their field, in their chosen for their proven spiritual leadership and experience. This program is accessible to all with our easy monthly payment plans, and the entire program can be completed in as little as 18 months. Download our free program guide today and check out the first lesson for free as a special gift to you. Find out if this is the calling you've been waiting to hear and sign up today at illi.org.